Coding is practically solved. That's a real quote from the guy who built Claude Code. 𝗟𝗓𝗡𝗞𝗦 said his ability to manually code is starting to atrophy. 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗡𝗞𝗦 predicted AI would write 90% of all code within months. Silicon Valley decided software engineers are done. But the platforms built to replace us can't even stay online. GitHub is the backbone of software development. Over 100 million developers. Every major company runs through it. Their AI coding tool, Copilot, went dark for 11 hours straight in March. Enterprise pipelines froze. CI/CD stopped. Developers sat there, unable to ship. One senior engineer put it simply: when Copilot went down, our entire process froze. This is the tool that was supposed to replace you. Mitchell Hashimoto, creator of Vagrant, 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗞𝗦, and a legend in the dev community, pulled his projects off GitHub after 18 years. His reason? GitHub is no longer a place for serious work. The Zig programming language left too. Even OpenAI started looking for alternatives. And it gets worse. GitHub itself got hacked. 3,800 internal repositories stolen. Copilot internals, GitHub actions, security tooling, all of it. Listed for sale on a criminal forum for $95,000. The attack vector? A single poisoned VS Code extension on one employee's laptop. The platform powering the AI revolution couldn't secure a text editor plugin. Here's the thing nobody wants to say. AI is genuinely useful. It writes boilerplate fast. It catches obvious bugs. It makes good developers faster. But it doesn't understand systems. It doesn't understand trade-offs. It doesn't know why your architecture is the way it is, or what breaks if you change it. Every automation wave in history, compilers, Stack Overflow, cloud platforms, low-code tools, was supposed to kill the programmer. Instead, demand went up every single time. The BLS still projects 17% job growth for software engineers through 2033. What's actually happening is a split. Developers who just wrote code to spec, that work is shrinking. Developers who understand systems, security, architecture, and judgment, more valuable than ever. Coding isn't solved, it just got more important to actually know what you're doing.